200 kids have been arrested in Albuquerque, in the Albuquerque school district in the past 3 years, and they've been arrested for non-violent offenses, right? Minor misdemeanors, not a big deal. But they've been arrested and sent to juvenile hall. Now, it turns out that a kid was arrested for burping in class.
Oh, come on.
Literally.
This country is insane, man. Our answer to everything is put them in jail.
Yeah.
You smoke pot? Oh, that's it. Jail. Sometimes jail for life, right? Now we got a Republican candidate saying you maybe should be executed, right? So now we're arresting kids for burping.
Yeah.
You know how many kids in my elementary school would have been arrested? Almost all the boys. Like, it was funny. Like, oh, and then what happens? Gone in jail. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, when I was in school, the big thing was the armpit fart.
That's disgusting. You should be arrested.
Can you imagine?
No, of course, we all did that.
Go to
Except
jail for
I couldn't quite do it. I was the dork who was like, well, I don't get it.
Anna, can you do it?
Make the noise?
I can't do it.
You can?
Yeah, I'm not going to do it now, though.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Just kidding.
Come
No,
on.
I can't. Okay, hold on. I haven't done it in a while.
Do
I'm
it.
very rusty. No, I can't.
You couldn't do it. Fail. Okay, anyway, so what happened to the poor kid?
Okay, so, well, he got arrested and he got sent to juvenile hall because of the fact that he burped. I'm sure he's out now. But the reason why he was arrested is because the teacher was complaining that he was disrupting the class. Well, if he's disrupting the class, you find a way to punish him rather than, or talk to him. Pull him aside, talk to him, and tell him, hey, if you do this again, I'm going to send you to the principal's office. You don't send him to jail or
we had a
juvenile
thing
hall.
for that back in the day. It was called detention.
Right.
Okay, and then if that didn't work, and he was like one of those kids who like spells out the alphabet while burping, okay, fine, he won't stop. Suspension, okay?
Right.
Nowhere in that chain all the way to expulsion is arrest them and throw them in juvenile hall.